In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways to square numbers in Google Sheets. Squaring a number simply means multiplying it by itself, and it's something you'll do all the time when analyzing data, running models, or cleaning up spreadsheets. I'll walk you through 3 quick methods so you can pick the one that feels most natural. Each approach gives you the same result, but they shine in slightly different situations. First, the fastest method uses the caret symbol, which is Google Sheets' exponent operator. Click an empty cell, type the equal sign to start a formula, and reference your number. For example, type equals 2, then add the caret by pressing Shift plus 6 and finish with a 2. So it looks like equals 2 times 2. That little hat tells Sheets to raise the value to the power of 2. This works with any cell reference or even a typed number like as05/2. It's clean, quick, and perfect when you just need a square. If you're mixing it into a longer formula, parentheses keep things tidy, like a2 plus b2, 2. And once it's set, you can drag the fill handle down to apply it to a whole column. Next, the formula-based method uses the power function. Type power, then select your cell, add a comma, and type 2, closing the parenthesis, like power a2 to 2. It does the exact same thing, but reads more clearly, especially in complex sheets. The big advantage is flexibility. If you think you'll change the exponent later, to a 3 or a 4 for example, this makes it obvious and easy. It also plays nicely with nested functions, so you can do something like actual power m a2 a5 2 without confusion. If you plan to copy the formula, consider locking references with $signs, such as A2 to keep the target fixed. Finally, the classic approach. Multiply the cell by itself. Type A2, A2. There's nothing fancy here, and that's the point. It's easy to read and instantly understandable to anyone opening your sheet. This is a great choice when you're collaborating with people who might not be comfortable with exponents or functions. Like the other methods, it updates automatically when the original value changes and can be filled down across a range. Whichever method you choose, remember to start with the equal sign, so Sheets treats it as a formula. If you see an error, make sure your source cell is a number and not stored as text. Try each approach once, pick your favorite, and use it consistently for clarity across your spreadsheets.